Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. So we are the All India Sales and Development Partner for BricsCAD in India. In this video, I'm going to talk about our plugin called CADPower, which is available exclusively for BricsCAD users in India for a period of 6 months absolutely free. So CADPower is a plugin for BricsCAD that offers high performance productivity tools. For example, you can do polyline annotation, polyline labeling, bill of materials, bill of quantities, Excel interaction, measurement tools, annotation tools, ERP exchange tools, and so on. So CADPower is a platform neutral productivity tool which is as useful for mechanical engineers as it is for civil or architectural or manufacturing professionals, as well as for people in the infrastructure industry. So for a period of 6 months, you get this software absolutely free when you buy BricsCAD from DesignSense. Try CADPower today. This is a must-have productivity tool that can really enable you to do speed drafting and automation in your work. Thank you.